to Roblox Speedrun 4. I'm the gamer kid. So let's start. Okay. Starting. Okay, so if you pass the yellow line, you go fast. You go fast. Okay. Okay, let's start. Jump. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this is, oh my goodness, I'm gonna do it too slow.
You're too slow.
Okay, me. Okay, I'm gonna do that. See, it's all I'm staying on the wall. I was actually staying on the wall. Yes, that. Okay, so this is so for me. This is the best game for me. This is actually the best game. Oh my goodness, that was so close. I'm just gonna die. Okay. So, get bubble. I can't. There's 45. There's 45 Robux, and I have 0 Robux. So okay, I can't pass this level. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This for me, this is like the best game ever. Cause like so oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna type in chat something. Okay, I'm gonna say this is hard. This is hard. See, I can't. See, I can't. So I'm gonna stop doing it. Okay, I'm just gonna start doing this. Okay, so I can't believe this is hard. So this is, oh my goodness, did you just saw that? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I was like that far and then I started because I died. Oh, I went over that tree. Oh my goodness, just die already. Wait, there is that, I should have climbed. I should have climbed on that. What the heck, I can't. I have to start back. I think because I didn't go on the checkpoint, yeah. Oh my goodness, I just have to die. Just have to die. Jump in there like that. Because I can't. Okay, I'm just starting now. Okay, finally, there. Okay, I got it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna jump. Oh my, so much. That was hard. I can't. I just pressed the jump button and then it didn't let me. Why am I over that person? Yes, I'm getting this. Yes. My goodness, what? Oh, you saw that I was going so far. My goodness. How is this even hard? I can't even do it. Like, I'm keeping on always falling down and dying. I got out. Okay, so. Here, yeah. Yes. I'm doing like this. Yo, yes. Oh my goodness, no. That was so, oh my goodness. Yes. Oh yeah. Yes. Yes, I beat level 1. Yay! Yay! If I restarted this one... Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I have to do like this. What the heck is... Was that a glitch? No, it isn't. Wait. Okay, never mind. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wait. HD is the best. 25 says, Brush, I feel like I'm dying. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This the I think the hard part is at level 3. I think. See, it's okay. What? Oh my goodness. But how am I going slow? I think because I died. I think. My holy moly. Oh my goodness. Why did I die? My god. You still dancing? I'm still in that one. I'm in Roblox. And I was still dancing and I died. Okay. Is up there? Please no, resume. Okay. Yo, if I was almost there and I died, then I'd be so mad. Then I'd be like, my goodness. Oh, did you saw that? Okay, so. Oh my goodness. I didn't hit him, and then I smacked myself without even hitting it. Yes. Okay, okay, so. Door. Okay, I I'll buy that. I don't have enough. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, so. Goodness. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Yo. I'm getting even close. Oh my goodness. I know how. Yeah, level 3 is the hardest one. And my goodness. Oh my goodness, how hard is this? How hard is this? This is big. This is 100%. Oh my goodness. I've played this before, this level 3 before, but instead I died. I died the whole time when I tried this. Oh no, how? Yeah, no. Yo, I'm just going like this. And I die. Okay. I'm just gonna play another game. This is even hard. This is actually hard. Okay, so. Okay. I'm just finding another game. I don't press the button too. I love this game. I actually. Okay. Did you hear that noise? Oh my goodness. What? How did this happen? Like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yo! Don't press. What's happening? On an airplane? Really? An airplane? Fine and fine. And I'm already in the middle. Oh, with that glitch? I just got to the top so fast. No, I actually got to the top so fast. It's almost us. Oh, phew. Press the button now. What the? Oh, no, don't make me fall down there finally. Let's just get this off here. No, 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 no. What the heck? Am I actually going up? Oh my goodness. My goodness. I don't know how this is happening. Did I hear water drinking? Why are there HD? Okay. String yay. Let me come shoot. Oh my goodness, see how far was that? Let me do that. Yay. Shoot rocket. Oh no more, okay. Press it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't know which am I gonna go to. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh, oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What? Oh my goodness, yes, press it. What? Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh no. Oh my goodness. I heard someone say, oh yeah. Oh my goodness. I heard them say, oh yeah. For me, this is the most funnest one ever. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my. What the heck is wrong with these? What the heck is wrong with these? Well, if you can. Oh, there's no more. Oh. Yay. Oh, want someone. Goodness. Oh my. Oh my. Huh? Don't know. I don't know. What? Oh, it was some. Someone read. Okay. What's she even doing? I'm good at this, Simon says. Yellow is next to me. Oopsies, I got out. I quit this. I'm playing another game. I quit this. Hello, the blinds. Prison. This one. Roller coaster. This one. Roller coaster case. Wait. Right here. Oh my goodness, I just have to wait. I'm relaxing because it's going by itself, so. Oh my goodness. What? Whee! 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 It's actually going slow. It's actually going slow for some reason. Oh, bumps. Why are there bumps? For some reason. I actually know this game. I know this game. I know this game. I know this game. I definitely know this game. Okay. So, the sums up the game if you love Christmas. I'm something sums up for myself with the Christmas for you love Christmas. Oh, but not so much. To myself. Oh, that went through. Okay. So what do I have to do? Just go straight. For some reason. Wait, I see an opening. What if the key was? What if this was? What if this? You just only have to walk. And then I don't know. Yep. Where do I see the opening? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Did I just stop this one? Did go. 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 Okay. I'm just gonna get out a bit. For some reason, I'm just gonna walk. Okay. I'm actually just walking. Or is it a turn way? What if someone is coming with this thing that goes on this track? That oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, let's get out of here. What if this actually, no, no, wait, 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 I think I can do, wait, oh no, I can't, please, I went out, all of my head's sticking out, okay, I'm moving, yeah, I can go faster than anyone, Oh my god. Let's get out of this one. Get out of it. Did you just saw what I did? Oh my goodness. I died because I actually for real know what to do. You just go how to go. I know how to go here. This here. You go this way. Jump. No, that was almost close. That was so close. That's an easy way. So I'm good. Okay. Oh, can just sit. Go here to sit. But I can't sit because I have to go. Oh my goodness. Well, if you can actually go over this, then that would be. Then I would like glitch, I think. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think this is the way to go out of here. I don't know which way to go out. I don't know which. I don't know. Oh, but I think I actually glitched. I think. No, I did not glitch. I just went over it. Everyone can see me going. I see a letter. I think that gives you cool tools. Oh, whatever. Let's forget about that. I'm gonna show everyone that I'm here. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, I went over it. Dude, I went over it. Just gonna pick this one. There's two. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, I'm having two tractors. Yo, two of them. I think I glitched. Oh, it's gonna. Did it just take away it? Oh, whatever. Okay. So, first, what? Frantic? My goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, well, okay. It's 3 more minutes for reward. Okay. Oh my, the police officer. Yay, returning. Oh. My, oh. I thought there were nothing. Okay. Okay. I thought I was going there to fall down, but instead I didn't. Oh yeah. Oh my. Oh like. Oh my goodness. How? Oh my goodness. How did I go over that fence? Fence. Okay, I'm gonna keep on saying fence in my head. Okay, I'll just stop saying fence. So okay. Wait. I think I just saw an orange, blue, white. That's in the turn. Yes. We're going there. Okay. Yes, there. What? Oh, this is the one that. I made her go upside down. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, no, just do. Oh no, 55. Okay, let's just go. Let's just go. Let me here. Let me go here. Oh my goodness, I'm so close to getting good. My goodness, what if I tricked her? Then I don't know why. Did I just stop me from going to her? My goodness. Okay, so we're gonna wait till we get a reward, and then we're gonna stop. Okay. Okay, so when we get when we see the reward, we're gonna finish this video. Okay. Go down, sliding down. Okay. Okay. Oh, no reward. Oh, rocket shooter. Oh my goodness, let's just jump out. Yo, rocket booster. Rocket booster. Yes. Yes. Okay, bye everyone. Okay, how do I get out? Okay, I just got out here. Okay.